So you're right. The tech skills are short in availability, and they are mostly in demand across the industries, not only for us, but even for the other industries. And so while we are taking these skill sets and resources from outside, but majority of these skill sets we are developing it inside. So a lot of stress is going on the training of our internal officers. They have been trained in various AI-led courses. There are specific year-long courses which have been conducted with various technical institutes, the reputed ones. And almost all officers who are working on this field, typically automation, the AI-led projects, and so on, they have been trained regularly through these year-long projects, year-long trainings, and somewhere or the other they are picking up those skills. Apart from that, there are also courses available as part of our internal, there's a course portal where all these courses are available for officers to undertake, and they regularly go through it. There are also minimum education trainings which are to be done every year as part of the performance, and those are regularly imparted to these officers. So if you look at it, any technology which is upcoming, which is new, there's always a challenge in determining the value that is getting generated out of it. However, there are some use cases where the value is very apparent. Take the case of visual analytics. The technology implementation does create an equal value out there. So it's very simple to figure it out. There are some projects where you're trying to estimate the failure of a device, which saves you a lot of money in actual failure when it happens. So you're able to predict before that and take corrective action. There are a lot of value coming in there. In our industry, a lot of such projects are already up and running. Few of them which are trial in nature, some which are very, very recent. We want to do that because it gives us a kind of a hedge in terms of availability of these skill sets and deployment of these technologies. So both kind of projects are being deployed, and value is looked at from the perspective as to whether it is really testing kind of a project or value driven project. And we are able to match both of them, and that is across the industry. So some of the sessions that I attended have been very informative. One where every few minutes some or the other partner came and gave in insights. That was wonderful. You get at one place multiple solutions, multiple technologies, and in these 1 or 2 days that you spend here, you're able to get a lot of them together, and then you can probably go back and listen to them more, which you find interesting and worthwhile for your own organization.